Hey guys, it's the gamer here, and today I might be with my brother today, if he wants to join the video. Mickey! Yeah, he wants to join the video. Okay, we are playing the world's easiest game. I did a video on the world's hardest game. That was pretty hard. No, what the? No. No. Can I get out of it? Okay. Yeah, that looks like Panda. If you're wondering who Panda is, a cat, our neighbor's cat. Okay, so, I don't want to read that, because it hurts my eyes, I don't know why.
You just press next.
I know, but I'll tell you guys. So, it's like a game, there's like a cat right there, but she doesn't really do anything, she just says, like, pretty mean things. Well, she doesn't say mean things. She says, like...
Shut up.
Shut up. she says like so it's like we only have 9 lives and only 9, and I think there are unlimited questions until your 9 lives are out, and the questions are supposed to be easy.
Oh, by the way, every time you fail, the cat gets shot with a 12 gauge.
No, it doesn't. Okay, the word I is the same backwards, forwards, upside down. Okay, that's false. Because upside down? No, it's not. Let's see.
Oh my god.
Oh, wait, 101, that's the movie. Wait, what?
I got this. 101, that's the movie. 202, it's like... What?
Okay, bread.
Hey, our cat's here.
You put bread in a toaster. Okay, hi Mag.
Stop running away from me.
Okay, I'm gonna wait 10 seconds. I can't skip it. I did
That
it!
is a poopy face.
Now I have to wait 12 seconds. Wait, no. Get that.
It was a question.
What? Fill in the missing letters in order to form the words in horizontal and vertical directions. Well, gel. Alright. And then I think. And then leg. I think I got that I one. Oh!
Hold on, give us a second.
Okay. What should I use? The gun or the nuke? I'm gonna use the nuke.
Tactical nuke.
Tactical nuke inbound.
That was pretty easy.
What shit? That's like a Trump. Wait, is it like spelled wrong? The one. Okay. How many days in a? Wait. 30.
How many days is in a normal calendar year?
30.
Wait,
no.
That doesn't make sense.
100,
How many?
100. Sorry, guys. I dropped the webcam. Oh gosh. Okay.
How many days are in a normal calendar year? Oh, okay, that makes sense.
What is it? Tell me now.
So, hold on, I need to search up on your phone on a calendar.
I'm gonna do it on here so the people can see it. Man. Calendar.
2018 calendar. Okay, so there's 31. You should be writing this down somewhere.
Just whatever. I'm just gonna put 31.
Actually 365. How we're so stupid. Like, we actually think we have to study this.
How many questions so far? Okay, 10. I have answered 10 questions. Wait, I put 20. I'm so... Okay.
Put Trump. I did.
Okay, Trump is my name. Wait, what? Like...
Not even our name. Well, it's my nickname at school, but...
You walk into a restaurant and oh wait, I have to add this up. So like you're supposed to, how many people? Okay, so 10 plus 3 is 13.
You have a phone right in front of you.
7 plus 13 is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. And then 20 plus 9 is 29. So 29. Where's the keypad? What the? Get out of here.
Keypad is right there.
Wait, what? How many are there? Not upside down, right? Yeah, not upside down. I know it's like backwards and forwards.
Yes.
But 4-letter words. A pyrotechnician should know how stuff works. Wait. No. Okay. Things. Should know how. Okay, guys, we're gonna like blank this out because we think it's a bad word. Yeah, no, it's not. It's not. It's no, it's not. Wait, is it? No. What? So dumb. I think it's rubber. Wait. Get round. It's a circle. Wait, it's a sphere. Yeah. Okay. 1.5. Yeah! Aqua is another word for water. Yeah. You have 5 candy bars in a bowl. You take out 3. How many candy bars do you have? Wait, what? 2. Because it shows you. Wait.
What?
You probably didn't read the question. Okay, whatever. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to end the video right now. So, yeah, bye!